how to dismantle and reassemble the music machine. This top piece comes off with two yellow brackets underneath, and there with two hands. I can't do it with two hands because I've moved it for me one, but them two open up. Then this top bit comes away. That'll fold down. This piece here, there's three little screws there. You undo them three screws. This one piece here, this leg will come off once you've undone them three screws. Then that leg will come off, leaving with one leg. The middle bit, the red bit, there's a shape in there which I'll show you in a moment. That will come off, and then it'll depack away. So I'll take some pictures as I go as well. Right, that's the bottom leg. There is a little shape on this that fits the shape on that, and offer that to that, and it'll just slide on. Open them two catches and it clips into them clips there. You then press them two buttons and this centre piece falls down into there. That's that bit done. Then you turn it upside down like I said before, undo them three screws, this bit comes off, and that bit comes off, this stays part of that. Then the red bit just pulls out, and there's a slot in there as well for the red bit to fit the blue bit. I'll show you next. I'm going to take the screws out. So them's two of the screws out, and the last screw is in there, and they all line up to little holes inside on the red thing. Right, once you've taken them three screws out, this centerpiece will come out, and you see there's a shape there, matches a shape there, that drops into the hole, and them's where the three screws screw into, so you can't get it mixed up. So that's that bit. There's your three screws. Then we tip this back upside down again, and the legs will come off. There's one, and then this one comes out as well. There you see. So to build it up again, you put that red thing back into there, lining up your legs. Put your legs in first, put the red thing in it, it'll go through that hole and then into this hole. Then you fit the screws in. Job done. Alright, I don't think I can do it any simpler than that, Charlotte. So let me know if you have any difficulties. You shouldn't have. Alright, I'll pack it all up now. And the three screws I'm going to put on this brown tape so we don't lose them. I'll just wrap them once and I'll just pop them inside there. Okay, so if you wonder where they are, that's where they are.